Welcome to AOLCC North York. Are you passionate about making a difference in people's lives? Become a certified personal support worker and start a rewarding career in healthcare today. Our PSW program equips you with essential skills to provide compassionate care in homes, hospitals, long-term care, and community settings. Learn everything from personal hygiene assistance and mobility support to nutrition, mental health, and end-of-life care. With hands-on clinical placements and certifications in standard first aid and CPR Level C, you'll be job-ready and confident. Start your journey as a trusted frontline caregiver. Enroll in the Personal Support Worker Certification Program today and make care your calling. For more information, contact us at 647-4945-544 or email us at info@aolcecnorthyork.com.